Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How-Tos. In this video, I will show you how to message without saving number in WhatsApp. So this is actually pretty easy and a very fast one actually. So let's start our tutorial. So the first thing that you want to check here is when we actually go into our WhatsApp application and try messaging someone here. As you can see, when we click on the message button is here at the lower right, there's no option for us to actually message someone without actually saving their contacts here. So by default, when you actually select someone here, like for example, I'm going to select this user or myself here. As you can see, I should have that specific contact. So don't worry, so we have a workaround around this. So first thing is you want to actually exit your WhatsApp application because this feature is not directly supported by WhatsApp. So here you want to actually go ahead and open up your browser. Any browser would do. So once your browser is open, you want to actually go to a specific website, but don't worry, this is still the WhatsApp website. So here you just want to type in wa.me, then slash, and from here you actually want to add the number that you want to reach out. So if that number is actually within WhatsApp, you'll be able to actually access that user. So first thing is you want to just type in that country code. So the country code for this number is just gonna enter this one and enter the rest of the number. So once you've entered that number, you just want to hit on enter on your keyboard and let that load up. So here it's going to ask continue to WhatsApp. Just click on continue and that would actually pop up that specific message on WhatsApp. So from here, you can just proceed on sending a message on that number and you should be good. And that's basically it. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.